everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be discussing about how to link multiple objects while inserting the records in Salesforce through data loader data mapper load. So in the last session I have discussed about how to insert multiple records, specifically case records through data mapper load. And today I'll be showing how to link how to use this add object and how to link the created records. So before get started, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. And I'm just quickly I'm going to cover the last session topic so that it will be more understandable to you guys. So in this data mapper load, so object is case, and I have already mapped these four fields like origin, priority, status, and subject fields are mapped, and like the JSON is like this one. So this is a list of cases. So in input JSON, we can see the JSON that we are providing as an input for this data wrapper load. So this is a list of cases, and it will create four. It will create like three case records. So we can see that it will create three case records. Now our today's scenario will be covering like this is a there is a quickly showing one case record cases. So in the case record, we can see that there is an account field. So there is a lookup to the account. So as of now, we have didn't add any mapping for this case creation, means no account record is linked with this case. So that scenario we'll cover today. So let me create a different, a new data mapper. So providing the name like multiple link records case account and data mapper loads, and its type interface type should be load, input type JSON, and output type is subject. We can click on save. So in the object tab, we need to add the account first. So account is a parent object, and let me show you the JSON we can use. Like this is the parent node accounts. So under account there are two accounts. Okay, account 2 and account 1. So for creating a Salesforce record for account, so with the name is the necessary field, so we can pass that name like account 1 and account 2, and like for this account 1 there are two case records, like two a list of cases are there. For so for this case, for account 1 two case records will be created, and same like for account 2 two case records will be created. So we'll be using this JSON. So let me copy this one, and like now what we need to do, like I have already added this account object, and let me add the case object. Case Now we need to click on this add link button. So on clicking this button, we can need to fill up this related details like domain object field. So this is nothing but the case object account field. So in the case record, we can see that account API. Let me show the account API name for this case record. So for the case record, the account API name is account lookup. Account ID API name is account ID. So we need to put the account ID as domain object field. Okay, and the object which needs to be linked like account. If there are multiple objects added, then we need to select the appropriate object that needs to be linked with the created case record. Like account record will be created first, and that account will be linked with the created case records. And which field needs to be selected, like from account, that account ID needs to be selected. So this case account ID needs to be match that ID of the account object, right? So our link creation part is done, and we can navigate to the fields tab. And in the all tab, we can already see that this mapping is already there when we have added the link for this. So this will come automatically whenever there is a linking is there for any object. So now we need to put the JSON. Let me put the JSON. So this list of accounts are there. Okay. So in the next session, I'll show that how to use this quick match. But as of now, I'll be just manually add the mappings. So in the input JSON path and domain object field, in the input JSON, since there are two objects are there, like account and case, that is why we can see two objects tab, like account related mappings needs to be added in the account tab, and case related mapping needs to be added in the case tab. So account, there is only one mapping, like name. Name is the field that we needs to map, like so we can find from the matches like account colon name. So this should be under accounts colon name. That is how we can access this account name information. And the domain object field is name, like account name. This is the standard field of the account. And that is how we have done these account mappings, and we need to add then case related mappings, like input JSON path need to add so case related details are like accounts colon cases, then colon status. This is how we can access individual fields for the respective case field, like cases. And domain object field, the field of the case object, like origin needs to be mapped, then status, and finally the subject field. So all the mappings are done. So let me recap quickly. We have added like one account object and another case object, and is linked with the account object through the ID field. And in the mappings, like there are since there are objects, there are two. That is why there are two objects. So account related mapping, like account name mapping, is this is how we have done, and case related mapping are showing in here. Since we have already linked, it's in the object tab. That is why this already linked mapping is there. That is why how the cases will be linked to the account. Let me preview this one and put the JSON again, and let me execute. So we can see that in the JSON node, from the JSON we can see that there should be two accounts needs to be created, like account 1 and account 2. And in here we can see that two accounts got created, and for account 1 the number of cases will be 2, and same like account 1 for the account 2, two case records will be created. Let me open this account record first. So in the related accounts cases, like let me show the related list. So see, this is the related list for the account 1. So we can see that two case records got created under this account. And if I open the case record, we can see that all the fields got mapped, fields got the value. And in the account name, it's showing account 1. Let me open the like case 3. And we can find like account 2 mapping value is populated. So this is how we can simply link multiple records while creating Salesforce record through data mapper load. In the next session, I'll be showing the same scenario, and we will be using the feature like quick match, so that it is more flexible and more promptly we can create these mappings. So